What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I don't know exactly what today's video entails, but what I'm about to do is something that I should not be doing because two things could happen. Either get pulled over, or either I kill myself or the car. So maybe 2.5, 3, okay? So I'm about to drive the Integra to Randy's house because I need to drive my car. I miss it, and I removed pretty much all the factory stuff that I no longer need. This is all like B series, D series stuff. And this right here is my headlight harness that I cut out from the car, of course, obviously. And yeah, man, I worked so hard on this harness, dog. You know, it don't look like it with all the heat, not heat shrink, but like this, you know what I mean? The loom and all that stuff. And if you guys ask where I get this loom from, I got it from Randy, and he got it from Amazon. So I think this is 1/4-inch loom or 1/2-inch loom. I can't remember what size loom it is, but yep, that is literally my headlight harness. Well, this is the driver's side. I mean, that is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. So here's your headlight harness from your 97 Acura Integra. But all in all, hopefully Wireworks come through. Hopefully this wasn't all for nothing. Hopefully Wireworks come through with the due date that I needed it done by. Hopefully, I hope, man. Dog. I just hope, dog. Hey. But let's get to Randy's house and see exactly what he's got all going on with the RSX today. I don't know about y'all, but this cut bumper look mighty damn good to me. Y'all just some butt munchers. Ooh, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't roast me on my placement of my wideband. I'm waiting for my gauge pod to come in. Shout out to my man Posco. But look at that, boy. 14. Oh, what happened to the 14? Oh, that's right. Car warming up a little bit, but look at that idle. Look at that. God damn. Woo! Modern Warfare. Yeah! VTOL warship inbound. Wow, look at that race car. Wow. Wow. That boy Randy got a windshield and he got his quarter windows on. You're good, bro. You are really good. And he got that nice top molding. Smooth. Wow.
Are you filming?
Yeah?
My time.
Are y'all filming? Nah, bro, you don't need head studs. Y'all tell these fools they don't need head studs for boost. Look, bro. You know Javi? He ain't got head studs.
He does.
No, he don't, bro. No stock head studs, bro.
Alright.
Honda come factory with ARP head studs. Bet y'all didn't know that, did y'all? See, y'all sleep. Y'all just be blowing y'all bread. Not me, I toast it. Yeah, man.
I mean, when he takes off the head, he's gonna have to replace
Fire.
it.
Yo, whoa.
Oh,
Top unit, my unit. Yeah, man. Fish.
Where's the kite?
Y'all wanna go drive?
Yeah.
Bet. Today's edition of what's going down in the kitchen. We got some crab curry.
Yeah, jag på crab YouTube.
I gotta let people know how I'm eating good. So, I guess what we're gonna do right now. Since Randy got his windshield and stuff on, we gotta wait 24 hours before we can drive or anything like that. But everything is on, so now we just know that we can drive is a good thing. But we're gonna put his headlights on so he can drive with actual visualizations of the road at night. Aux beam hooked him up with some bulbs, which they're not here yet, but we're gonna just go ahead and install these bad boys anyway, so it can look more complete, and Randy can finally use his Instagram to post pictures. But I doubt it. I highly doubt it. You want to vlog?
Yeah.
Alright, vlog.
Tell me what to vlog.
I don't know. You're the camera operator. You gotta vlog whatever you want to vlog now. It's all up to you.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead. Goes ahead. Get the vlog cracking. You gotta coordinate the vlog. You gotta coordinate.
Yeah, like the black house.
Yeah. Your vlog look garbage. You gotta vlog faces.
Okay.
Not my face. I mean, I don't know.
Alright, stop it.
Damn, Randy got all the cops on the block, dog.
Why?
Damn. Oh, she going over to their house.
To get the car off the fucking road.
We've been doing this shit forever.
I don't think she gonna get the car off the road. Huh? Nah, I don't know. Randy got one racist neighbor, actually like 3 of them, and every time he comes in his car, they call the police. It's ridiculous. I don't know, man. Brown on brown crime, but we got the fender going on right now. Quick Customs and Randall building the building. Got the headlight right here, right
Can
here.
I ask the question? Why is there so much cops?
Yeah, cause it's me. I'm America's Most Wanted. Know what I mean?
Yeah, you got some talent.
What talent do I got? Say it, girl. What talent do your boy got? Say it. Oh man, you gonna?
Dance moves?
Oh yeah, I do got some dance moves.
I don't know how to do that.
You can't do this.
I cannot.
Do it.
I've been learning.
You can't do that. Look at that. What? You sleep. You got paraplegic feet. Not me.
I got flat foot.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna have to head home real quick to go pick up my Civic, because my Integra doesn't have any car insurance on it. That's how you snitch on yourself 101. And these boys also need some 10 mil bolts, which I have plenty of. So I'm gonna go get that too, and then when I get back, maybe this car will be done. Maybe not. So I came back, had some extra leftover hardware drip for the boy. Got him that icy hardware, know what I mean? Know what I mean? Ice gang. Ice.
Ice, guys. You know the drill.
What's the drill?
The drill is the car.
Ooh, look at that. She's nude. That boy, damn, ran low. It's coming together, bro. It's coming together. I mean, it's farting together, bro. It's farting together. This has been Florida all day. This weather is beautiful. It's windy. Time went back an hour, but it is beautiful outside. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Alrighty, everybody. It is the next day. And I shouldn't tell you guys this, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. So if anything happens to me later on in this video, it's all my fault. Because I know what I'm doing is wrong. I know it's wrong. I know it's stupid. But I just want to drive my car. But, what? Don't know who that is, so I'm not answering it. But I cannot find the registration to my car. And my Integra is also not insured. So no registration, can't find it. It's still registered, but no insurance. If I get pulled over, that's the two things they asked for, which means my car is probably getting towed today. If the cop is on an asshole rampage, I'm literally done. So hopefully I make it to Fred's house safe and sound. And yeah. Hopefully this plays out okay. I got this mount because, well, Fred wants to lock it up. So I ain't no bitch, so I'm gonna race his ass. Know what I mean? Let's get this vlog started again. On 20% left the battery. Made it to Fred's crib. Fred ready to get his ass cheeks clapped.
Yo, dog, let's come here. We're gonna fuck this talking, yo.
Ah! Dog, I checked my car today to see if I got to find my registration in case if anything happened. I can't even find my registration, dog.
If anything happened, we going to jail.
Yeah, because this fool ain't got this. He worse than me. So if we get caught, that's a wrap. And we in Fort Pierce, oh, that's a wrap. We gone. We is gone, boy. Oh, you trying to do weight reduction, dog?
No, my nigga had a bunch of shit in my trunk.
Nah, he trying to do weight reduction.
This is weight reduction, bro? And to get the refund?
Nah, this man had Jack. He had all types of stuff. You might well get that weight reduction. I'm finna gap your ass, bruh.
Yo, Mario, cut off the odds thing, yo.
Okay, so you telling me when you talking about, oh, your ass about to get clapped, Percy. You about to get clapped. Well, when I say it's a Batiman thing, man.
Never heard me say them things, yo.
Lying, dog. It's all Fred do, dog. Finesse and lie. How would I know this will come and bite me in the buttocks? So, I was, as you guys know, my headlight harness issue, that's bad, blah, 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 so and so, so and so. When I wired up my old fan, well, the switch, this is the switch that I cut off. I wired this to my wireworks harness. This is the switch, this switch right here. Oh, my bad. This switch right here is what I cut off from the factory and plugged it into here thinking that it'll work. But no, it doesn't have ground because I guess, you know, it makes sense when you don't have a headlight harness, you don't have basically a radiator fan. I guess that works unless you do what we did and not hot wire, but wired it straight to the fuse box through the cooling fan fuse. So all in all, this sucks and it looks janky and I can't do anything until this harness comes in the mail. So that kind of put a sucker on things. So I really can't drive the car because this is beyond ghetto for me, dog. Like come on, son. Then I had cooling going everywhere because I left this off, which I gotta go buy a plug for so I can plug it. You see all the cooling right there. Like it's so ghetto, dog. Ugh. My beautiful car is becoming more and more clap each moment that I own it, and it's ridiculous and I hate it. So I can't do anything until this wireworks harness arrives. So that kind of put a bummer on things big time. But I guess for now, I guess this will work. I mean, I got a fan, but I don't want this shit running way too cold. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. This man's still trying to race. I clap, you know what I mean? I do what I gotta do, put the city on my back.
What?
The city on my back. So, made it back home, and boy, am I, I have this weird thing with my transmission too, like it grinds second and reverse sometimes. Like, if I get in the car, start it up, drive it, it's fine. Let's say I do like a little bit of beating on it, like second gear pull or first, second, or second to third, whatever the case. After that, it'll grind. Like no matter what, like second would just, like it won't grind, it'll just, I guess that's called grinding, I guess. But like, it's not like a loud, nasty grind, but you can like, it just, like I'll put the car in neutral and then put it in second, grind. Second, grind. Second, grind. While I'm still in like coasting, like just coasting, neutral, second, grind, second, grind, second, it's just stupid. So, I don't know what it could be. Probably transmission fluid because I think second reverse is on the same selectors. I don't know. Dude, I don't know. But I know it's something to do with probably... I know it has something to do with the fluid. I run straight synchro mesh. I doubt it's the fluid, but what if the fluid's heating up and just like causing it to... I don't know. I don't know. Brand new second gear with synchro and stuff. I know it's something stupid. So, I'll figure that out. If you ever had that issue, comment down below. But I don't know what else this video entails. So last night I ate these KFC wings, these honey barbecue wings from KFC, and they're so good. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. But I guess I'm gonna play some Call of Duty, dog. Play some Modern Warfare, rage quit, get mad, and I don't know, probably go to the gym or something. I have no idea. This show is the truth. And Pat is pissing me off. This is also Raising Dion, by the way. But, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I'll be sure to see you guys on the 7th. My birthday is the 8th, but I usually upload this video the 7th, so I don't have to edit it or upload anything on my birthday. So, I'll see you guys in 2 days of this recording for my 24 year in, not year, but yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 days, alright? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whatever this video was. I feel like it was more like just a vlog-based video, which I like making vlog-based videos, you know what I mean? Car stuff is annoying. Like, you guys don't understand. It's annoying when you can't have money to buy an Evo. You know what I mean? It's annoying. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.